नमस्ते JVNs.
खुश रहो बिटिया.
I JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today's topic is advantage of factorial design. Advantage of factorial design and factorial experiment. This topic belongs to the subject research methodology and biostats for the B Pharm 8th semester students. So now move to the factorial design. Factorial design and experiment involve simultaneously more than one factor, and each factor is at two or more levels. Several factors affect simultaneously the characteristic under study in factorial experiments. And the experimenter is interested in the main effect and the interaction effect among different factors. Firstly, we consider an example to understand the utility of the factorial design and factorial experiment and factorial advantage. So now we come to the example for the better understanding for the factorial experiment. Suppose the yield from different plots in an agricultural experiments depend upon, first one is variety of crop and type of fertilizers. Both factors are in the control of the experimenter. And the third one is soil fertility, and this factor is not to control the experimenter. In order to compare different crops varieties, assign it to different plots keeping other factors like irrigation, fertilize, etc. Fixed and the same all plots. The conclusion for this will be valid only for the crop ground under similar conditions with respect to the factors like fertilizers and irrigation, etc. In order to compare different crops varieties for the better understanding of the factorial design and experiment. Assign it to different plots keeping other factors like irrigation, fertilizers, etc. Fix the same for the all plots. The conclusion for this will be valid only for the crop ground under similar conditions with respect to the factor like fertilizers and irrigation, etc. In order to compare different fertilizers or different doses of fertilizers. So single crop on all the plots are vary the quantity of fertilizers from the plot to plot. The conclusion. First we have discussed about the variety of the crop. Variety of the crop and type of the fertilizers and soil fertility. This is the factor is not to control the experiment. So now we come to the conclusion. The conclusion will become invalid if different varieties of the crop are shown. It is quite possible that one variety may respond differently than another to particular type of the fertilizers. Suppose we wish compare the two crops variety A and B, keeping the fertilizers fixed, and three varieties of fertilizers A, B, and C. This can be accomplished with two randomized block design RBD by the assigning the treatment at random to three plots in any block and two crop variety at random. The possible arrangement of the treatment may appear can be as follows. BB and BA and BC and BC and BB and BA, BA, BC and BB. This is the particular arrangement for the crop varieties, and different one is AA, AB and AC, AC and AA, AB, AB, AC and AA. With these two RBDs, the difference among two fertilizers can be estimated. Now we come to the factorial design. If the number of level for each factor is the same, we call it is a symmetrical factorial experiment. If the number of level of each factor is not the same, then we call it has a symmetrical or mixed factorial experiment. We consider only symmetrical factorial experiment. Through the factorial experiment, we can study the individual effect of each factor and interaction effect. Now we consideration 2 square factorial experiment with an example and try to develop and understand the theory and notations through these examples. Factorial advantage. Factorial advantage is very most important for the factorial experiment and the factorial design. So these are 2 effects related to A and B. To obtain the effect of factor, write the corresponding factor with sigma and other with plus sign. For example, in the main effect, A and small a occurs with sign with the minus or plus. So the factorial experiment, suppose that the complete factorial experiment, there are 3 factors A, B and C, each at 2 levels. These are 2 total 8 number of the combination. Suppose that A naught, B1, B1, A1 and B naught, C1, C naught. तो ओवरऑल जो टोटल हम लेंगे फैक्टोरियल एक्सपेरिमेंट को परफॉर्म करने के लिए देयर आर टोटल ऑफ 8 नंबर्स ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन. Each treatment combination has R replicate so that the number of observation n is equal to 2 is to power 3. This is the complete protocol for the factorial experiment. This is the based on the theory development 2 square and 2 to the power 3 factorial experiment. We now extend then for the 2 to the power n factorial experiment. A capital letter A, B and C denote the factors. जो factors denote करता है वो capital letter A, B और C में denote करता है. They are the main effect contrast for the factor A, B, C. And contrast में हम ले लेंगे A, B and AC and BC denote the first order or second factorial interaction. So now we come to the standard order for the treatment combination. Each effect has 2 components, divisor and contrast. When the order of the factorial design, it is the combination number to derive such expression. Some method have been suggested to write the expression for the factorial effect. First we detail how to write the divisor and then illustrate the method of the obtaining the contrast. How to write the divisor? In a 2 to the power 3 or 2 or 1 and whatever factorial experiment. The general mean effect has divisor 2 is to power n, and any effect mean of interaction has divisor 2 is to power n minus 1. For the example in 2 is to power 6 factorial experiment, the general mean effect has divisor 2 is to power 6, and any main effect or interaction effect of any order has divisor is very important role for the advantage of factorial design. So this is the complete protocol of this session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.